Right, if you're not sure, is this a motorcycle or is this a work of art? Just have a look and make your mind up. No, it's not a modern creation. This bike has been around for over 100 years. It's a Majestic, and it certainly lives up to its name. In fact, it's a 1929 Majestic made in France, and it's a technical triumph in that it's got hub-centered steering, much the same as Bimoto's, GTS Yamahas, and a few other makes like that. So that's hub-centered steering. At the front here, looking at the Majestic head-on, you can see some elements of the 1920s in it. But see the hub-centered steering there now? Very reminiscent of the 1990s Yamaha GTS 1000. And this is an absolutely wonderfully preserved bike, or shall we say reconditioned. Single leather seat, carrying rack on the back there. Fishtail exhausts, which are a little bit reminiscent of Velocette motorcycles. But if you want to see this bike in the flesh, you'll have until the 26th of April to come to the Queensland Museum of Modern Art, where this 1929 Majestic is on display, along with some other wonderful, very early bikes here. Mirror car, for example. Familiar bike out Holland. Moto Guzzi there in the background. And of course, moving on much later, 1955, the Austrian Puck. And something that's really quite unique from 1954, the Gnome et Rhone, a French 175 two-stroke. One of the few known examples still in the world of this French motorcycle, 175. And it too is at the Queensland Museum of Modern Art, where there is 101 motorbikes on display. So that's some of the old bikes that are on display. We'll just finish off with this lovely Majestic here again. French Majestic from 1929. Remember to hit the subscribe button and enjoy more videos from this series from the Queensland Museum of Modern Art.